This is why you need AGS-TECH, the one-stop powerhouse for all your manufacturing needs. AGS-TECH Inc. offers a global solution for custom manufacturing, engineering, and outsourcing. We provide everything from parts and components to fully finished products and machines. Whether you need domestic or global contract manufacturing, private labeling, or engineering integration, AGS-TECH has you covered. Our capabilities span numerous manufacturing processes: molding, casting, extrusion, CNC machining, and much more. We work with metals, plastics, ceramics, virtually any material you can think of. And our engineering services? They include R&D, rapid prototyping, and even reverse engineering. Need quality control or metrology equipment? We've got that too, with offerings like hardness testers and ultrasonic fault detectors. So why settle for less when you can have it all with AGS-TECH? Reach out today and let's redefine what's possible in manufacturing. Visit us at agstech.net. AGS-TECH, engineering excellence delivered.